Hi Baby Gals! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be talking about these Pond's Magic powders. Basta, meron ako nitong Pond's Magic powder na BB. Marami na nag-review nito, so I don't really think I need to review it. Siguro I will just share my thoughts about this one, yung mabilis ng review lang. And I will also be doing a first impression review on this Pond's Angel Face Natural Mattifying Face Powder. Ayan siya, Baby Gals. Diba? Parang hindi pa to masyadong common sa market kasi usually yung nakikita ko is this one. Alright, so kung interesado kayong malaman on how these Pond's powders work on my oily skin, just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, itong Pond's Magic BB powder, marami nang gumagamit nito. The packaging looks like this up close. Nabili ko tong dalawang to sa Thailand actually for only 29 baht. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, mabibili nyo sila mga 150 to siguro 180 pesos each. Yun yung mga presyo na nakita kong binibenta sila. So itong BB powder, nagamit ko na siya mga 3 times already. Actually, hindi siya yung typical na powder lang. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang color actually. So hindi siya yung typical na pulbo lang. Medyo pinkish undertone nga siya eh. Medyo grayish siya, no? As you can see. Tapos, yung smell niya, it smells like the typical Pond's powder na nasa ganito na lalagyan. Yung mga uso nung high school tayo, well, kung kaedad nyo ako, nung mga early 2000s, lumabas yung Pond's powder na pink na pwede mong gamitin pang blush. Tapos, meron ding blue. Same lang sila ng amoy nito. High school days. Yun talagang in na pulbo nung time na yun. Okay, so itong powder na to, it actually looks really nice on the skin. Nung first time na ginamit ko siya, like, I just put it here on my hand. Tapos, gumamit lang ako ng brush. And, ginanyan ko lang siya. Tapos, nilagay ko siya sa skin ko. And, ultimately, nakita ko, ang ganda ng powder na to. It's very fine. Tapos, it really made me look poreless. It set my makeup beautifully. And, medyo matagal din naman ako ng oil up sa kanya. And, it feels very lightweight on the skin. So, first impressions ko sa kanya, ang ganda-ganda niya. Now, ang staying power nito, it only lasts on my oily skin, well, at least dito sa T-zone, for about 4 hours maximum. Kasi, oily kasi ang skin ko, especially sa T-zone ko, andito sa cheeks. So, madali lang siyang natatanggal sa skin ko kapag nag-oil up na ako. Hindi siya nakaka-add ng oil control on my oily skin. So, gusto kong itry itong Pond's Angel Face. Wow! So, gusto kong itry ngayon itong Pond's Angel Face Natural Mattifying Face Powder. Kung same lang ba sila ng effect sa skin na magiging poreless, magiging super smooth. Tingnan yung skin ko na parang may natural filter siya kasi yun yung nabibigay nito. And kung makaka-add ba siya ng oil control sa ating skin. So, itry na natin siya. Sabi dito, meron din siyang UVA and UVB protection. Wala na. Actually, yung mga nakasulat dito ay mga Thai. Hindi ko sila mabasa, Baby Gals. Kaya naman basahin yan. Pero anyway, meron siyang seal dito, just like all other Pond's na powder na nabibili dito sa mga grocery natin. So, tanggalin natin yung seal niya. Ang cute ng color nito. Mas nakukutan ako sa kulay nito compared dun sa pink. Open natin siya. Ay, medyo... Ay! Okay. I was not expecting that. As you can see, medyo bluish pala yung kulay ng powder, Baby Gals. Akala ko white lang siya. Pero medyo sky blue yung kulay niya. Same lang naman sila ng amoy nito, pero mas malakas yung scent nito, Baby Gals. Parang mas concentrated yung perfume na nilagay dito. Okay, tapos yung feeling nila, let's compare. Actually, medyo magkaparehas lang din, pinong-pino, parang pulbo lang talaga, no? So, maglagay na tayo ng pulbo dito. And yung nilagay ko pala sa face ko is the Eye White na BB Holic. So, wala masyadong oil control yun. Siguro, I'll just set half of my face with this Pond's mattifying powder. Ay! Baka masyadong maputi ito. Ang bango niya. Nakakaloka. Ayan. So, I'll just set half of my face with this powder para ma-compare natin mamaya kung mas matte ba talaga itong right side ng aking face, which is nasa left side ng inyong screen, compared to the left side, which is walang mattifying powder na Pond's. By the way, sa flash photography, okay na okay itong Pond's BB powder. So, try natin itong mattifying powder nila kung okay din ba sa flash photography. Uy, in fairness, wala siyang flashback sa photos. Kahit na parang baby powder lang yung ginamit natin. And if you can see, baby girls, nag-matte na agad itong side na nilagyan natin ng Pond's na powder. In fairness, compared dito, as you can see, parang mayroon pang shine dito sa side na to na walang powder. So, bongga yun. My skin does look really nice and soft na parang meron na siyang filter agad. Pero parang sa nakikita ko, mas poreless tignan yung skin ko when I used this pink powder compared to this one right here. Pero tignan na lang natin mamaya kung anong mangyayari. Mas okay ba talaga to for my oily skin compared to this one right here? Let's find out. Tatapusin ko muna yung entire face of makeup ko. And then, babalik ako to give you updates on how this powder works on my oily skin. Abangan! Hi, baby girls! By the way, nung natapos tayo sa powder, it was 11 AM. And ngayon, it's 2:46 PM. So, mag-4 hours na yata. So, itong side na to, yung nilagyan natin ng Pond's na powder. May highlighter pala ako dito. Nag-produce na ako ng oil, baby girls. Pero not too shabby. Tignan natin, may difference ba yung may Pond's powder? Tsaka yung wala. Dito ko nakikita yung difference, baby girls. Dito, na part, like under that highlighter, mas matte compared dito. Diba, may shine kahit dito sa chin. Bongga! So, parang naka-help nyo siya i-mattify ang aking skin. Sa forehead naman, parang pare-pareho lang sila ng level of oiliness. Okay, so I don't think I need to blot. Parang okay pa rin yung aking skin. Parang glowing lang siya, hindi siya oily tignan. So, babalik ako mamaya kung kailangan ako nang mag-update. Hello, baby girls. It's 6 PM. Nakatulog ako saglit. Okay, so, 7 hours. Dito sa walang mattifying powder, oh, it's definitely really oily and greasy. Like, kita-kita mo na ang oil na lumalabas talaga sa pores, no? Dito naman, sa merong powder, yung better yung oil control dito compared dito. Like, see, super shiny compared dito. Matte pa rin. Sa forehead, it's pretty much the same. Hindi, mas oily dito, oh. Mas nagbabounce back yung light compared to here. Just a tiny bit. Pero, yes. In fairness naman sa kanya, nakaka-control talaga siya ng oil, baby girls, no? So, mas bongga to, mas gusto ko to compared dun sa BB na powder kasi I see a difference in the oil controlling properties. In fairness, I am liking it as of the moment. Okay, so ayun, baby girls, dito ko na muna isa-stop ang aking review kasi kailangan magluto para sa aking asawa. And ayun, salamat sa panonood, baby girls. I hope to see you in the next video, hopefully tomorrow. Bye-bye! So, after blotting, definitely mas oily yung this side. Sorry, I just used the kitchen towel. I don't even know kung makaklaro nyo. Pero this is without the mattifying powder, and this is with the mattifying powder. Pero, nakikita ko na mas oily talaga yung walang mattifying powder. And eto siya after blotting without any retouch. In fairness naman, maganda pa rin. Diba? Bongga, nagustuhan ko ha, in fairness. And yung aking blush and bronzer, andyan pa, and yung aking highlighter. Bongga!